From a DIY hobbyist to a professional, everyone wants to keep the top woodworking clamps in their toolbox to get a quick and easy way to secure workpieces. With the best woodworking clamps in your toolbox, you can take any woodworking project in hand and complete them in a breeze. So in today's video, we're going to show you the 10 best woodworking clamps for DIY that holds your project pieces firmly and has industry-leading build quality. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and dive in.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Introducing the Milescraft 4001, a specifically made tool for pocket hole joinery, project construction, general clamping, and more related tasks. This woodworking clamp has up to a 3-inch reach and is ideal for clamping on various material thicknesses of up to 2.6 inches thick. Having convenient metal swivel pads, it ensures no marring on your workpiece and distributes an even clamping force, while the adjustable capacity thumbscrew knobs allow you quick and easy adjustment. Plus, the durable and comfortable rubber handle offers you a standout clamping force of up to 300 pounds for your woodworking task. So add this Milescraft 4001 wood clamp to your tool list if you need to complete efficient pocket hole assembly and other wood constructions. Complete complicated tasks like a cabinet or picture frame making by using a Horace D 90-degree right angle clamp, a must-have clamp for general woodworkers or DIYers. Constructed of aluminum alloy steel with quick-release adjustable jaws, this tool lets you use it for 90-degree corner joints. It has a saw guide for 45-degree miter cuts, and you can use it as a workbench vise. Plus, it has 2 anti-skid solid rubber handles, allowing you to use it with maximum comfort and control while setting up instantly and securing quickly. Besides, this tool features oblong holes for easy mounting onto the workbench and movable jaws for absolute convenience during use. To conclude, the Horace D right angle clamp is perfect for all woodworkers and carpenters for tasks like framing, drilling, cabinet making, and lots of other things. Check out the Bessey LM2.004, a strong and versatile clamp made for general purpose and can exert a substantial amount of force to keep your project in place. This German-made clamp is ideal for dealing with all your lighter-duty tasks and handling uncountable delicate projects. Plus, it replaces C-clamps for a secure hold and features an ergonomic wood grip handle for optimum control with top-notch comfort. Additionally, the protective cap that comes with the tool allows you to prevent any kind of damage to the material, while the replaceable swivel non-marring pad offers you ultimate benefits when in use. In short, even though this general-purpose clamp is mentioned to be used in light jobs, it can still deliver a standout amount of force to keep your other projects going well. Do quick and easy clamping with the TOLESA, a heavy-duty spring clamp that's easy to attach, lightweight, and versatile to complete professional carpentry, woodworking, and other DIY projects. This nylon constructed clamp is made out of reinforced fiberglass and has a great finish to withstand all your tough job site conditions. Having the double-layer TPR handle with an ergonomic design, it offers you a comfortable grip and supplies up to 30 pounds of clamping tension to hold objects strongly. Besides, this clamp has a jaw maximum opening space of up to 3 inches, making it more suitable for thicker materials, while the wide pivoting jaw pad self-adjusts to all uneven surfaces for a solid grip. In short, this TOLESA spring clamp offers many beneficial facilities like easy attaching, quick releasing, and repositioning, making it an ideal woodworking clamp to grab. Now get your hands on the WORKPRO C01750, a right-angle wood clamp made out of quality material and has satisfying functionality at the corners to secure firm hold. This durable clamping tool is made out of quality ABS plastic and metal, meaning you can use it for years to come and can clamp different thickness boards. Plus, it has a clamping capacity between 5 and 22 millimeters for all your regular boards, while allowing you to do fast and simple fixing at an angle of 90 degrees. Also, this tool comes with a mounting aid for screwing gluing boards together and lets you do single-handed operations for absolute convenience. For better corner clamping and T-joints, this WORKPRO C01750 will assist you in every possible way. Handle all your thicker board clamping with the Jorgensen 6-inch bar clamp set, a perfect wood clamp set for those who are looking for one-handed convenience with heavy-duty holding power. This clamp set has a convenient reach of up to 2.375 inches from the bar top of the pad with a maximum opening capacity of 6 inches so that you can tackle any task with more thickness. With a load limit of up to 150 pounds and having round-edge, high-carbon steel construction, this bar clamp offers up to 300 pounds of clamping force to meet your needs. Plus, it has a light-duty, easy-hold design that allows you to use it in two ways, clamp or spreader. On the other hand, the advanced glass-filled nylon handle lets you operate with one hand for maximum ease. In essence, this unique bar clamp set from Jorgensen is very easy to use and it's ideal for all hobbyists, artisans, and model project holders. DeWalt is holding a top position in the woodworking tool industry. Now meet its DWHT-83149, a medium trigger wood clamp that weighs so little yet has a rugged build quality to compete with all harsh job site conditions. This tool offers you optimum strength and durability for long-term use with a reinforced nylon body and heat-treated steel bar. Plus, this medium trigger clamp lets you do one-handed operation, and each of the clamping tools delivers up to 100 pounds of clamping force, meaning you'll get a strong hold for your project. Also, it has up to 2.4375-inch throat depth that ensures added utility, while the removable jaw pads help you reduce marring. Weighing in at only 1.1 pounds, this DeWalt DWHT-83149 wood clamp offers a single-hand operating facility that every professional and DIY worker desires. Are you looking for a reliable and solid clamping tool for all woodworking purposes? Then look no further, because we have the WORKPRO Nylon Spring Clamp. It's a uniquely designed tool to provide stable and even pressures to your workplace. Reinforced with nylon construction, this tool offers you long-lasting durability and lets you have a tight, sturdy, and long-lasting hold throughout the whole project. Plus, it has durable pads that securely protect the finish and features an ergonomic handle for the most comfortable grip and better positioning. This 16-piece nylon spring clamp set includes 6 3.375-inch clamps, 6 4.5-inch clamps, and 4 6.5-inch clamps for versatile use on a wide range of applications. To get superior dependability at an affordable price tag, this WORKPRO clamping tool has no alternative in its class to live up to all your satisfaction. Stabilize and elevate your workpiece with the Bessey BPC H34, an H-style pipe clamp with an industry-leading extra high base and exceptional build quality. The H-shaped foot assembly of this tool stabilizes in 2 dimensions, so you can get dual-axis stability for better standing and holding to your surface. With a high base, it offers an amazing ground clearance from your work surface, while the cast jaw ensures absolute durability for a long lifespan. Besides, you'll get 2 soft jaw clamps with this pipe clamping tool so that you can prevent materials from scratches and scuffs, while the tough powder coat finish makes it all weather resistant. Plus, this Bessey BPC H34 features a large ergonomic handle to provide positive pressure while using it, making it one of the most consummative wood clamping tools for most DIY workers and professionals. Finally, at number 1, we have the IRWIN Quick Grip Clamps, the most high-rated wood clamp in the industry that will solve all clamping issues when working in confined spaces, keeping your workspace together. This excellent tool has resin construction with hardened steel bars to prevent flexing and bending. Also, it comes with non-marring pads to provide a firm grip on your workplace. Plus, you can keep all your workpieces together because this tool evenly distributes up to 140 pounds of clamping force, while the one-handed trigger releases the clamps quickly. Apart from that, the most convenient site of this quick grip clamp is its easy-to-use facilities. Anyone from a beginner to a pro can use this tool for keeping their workpieces together. Overall, this IRWIN clamp shines bright as a must-have tool for DIY hobbyists and professionals because of the highest quality, features, and value it offers. So that was the list of the top 10 best woodworking clamps for DIYers just like you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.